Once upon a time, in a land far, far away, it was actually Hawaii, there lived two dads, poor dad and rich dad. Poor dad was well educated and worked hard as a teacher, but he always struggled to make ends meet and never seemed to get ahead financially. On the other hand, rich dad was not formally educated but was super savvy when it came to making money. He owned a bunch of businesses and always seemed to be rolling in dough. One day, poor dad's son, aka the narrator, asked him why he was always struggling financially, even though he worked so hard. Poor dad told him that he needed to work hard, get a good education, and save his money. But rich dad had a different perspective. He told the narrator that the key to financial success was to focus on creating passive income streams, like owning rental properties or stocks, rather than just working for a salary. The narrator was confused by this, so he decided to spend more time with rich dad to learn from him. And boy, did he learn a lot. He discovered that the traditional advice about money and work, like go to school, get a good job, and save for retirement, was actually holding him back. Instead, he needed to think creatively and take calculated risks to truly become financially successful. So, the narrator took rich dad's advice and started making smart financial moves. And guess what happened? He became rich. Hooray. The end. Okay, I know that was a bit of a silly summary, but I hope it gave you a good sense of the main themes and lessons in Poor Dad, Rich Dad. If you want to learn more, I recommend picking up the book and giving it a read. It's a quick and entertaining read that just might change the way you think about money and success. Thanks for watching Trader Zone Cafe. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more trading advice. Remember, motivation is key to success in trading and in life, so stay motivated and stay on track towards your goals. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more trading tips and advice.